think there might be frogs, you know.
Yeah,
I think I can see one in that hole there.
There's like a standard frog over there, somewhere in the ribbon.